Alright, we are on Unbaked Pie on Try Hack Me. So let's go ahead and start off with a rust scan. Let's see what we got here. I'm about to say nothing. Is this a website? It is. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and go to it. Oh, pickle. A homemade pickle. Wow. Look at that, huh? Yeah, it did. That's really strange, isn't it? Looks like I don't get a damn choice. Okay. Let's... if you stand here long enough, you might just be able to get the 365 days, because I saw two people on, was it Reddit, that both got like, they're on like a 1 day and like a 20-day streak or something like that. Then that was it. Then they end up getting like a 600-day streak or some crap. They're like, what? Okay. Um, let's go ahead and fuzz this site. Let's go ahead and directory bust through this guy. See what this is all about. Yeah. I I can never get like a streak going. I think the longest streak I ever got was like 10 days, because for some reason it says that I'm in Afghanistan and I can't change it. I've tried to change it like a bunch of times. It says I'm in Afghanistan. This is while I'm still in America. And then from there, since it's not like different times and stuff like that, if I did it within what I thought was 24 hours, it would have already reset. And then when I got to Japan, it got even worse. So I was like, okay, I'm done with this. So I could never really get a streak going with Try Hack Me. It would be like, it felt like after like 16 hours, it would reset, not 24 hours. I don't know what times they were going off of, but definitely wasn't the normal 24-hour clock there. Slow down. This thing's going way too fast. Okay. False. We cross out request forgery token. Okay. Yeah, I figured it would go off of, like each person's like time zone or whatever. see something. I'm wondering. Wonder if I can utilize the search bar there to be able to do something inside that. I did not remember this box. Pretty sure someone else did it. Or the cross-site request forgery token that we have. Let's go and try something real quick. Okay. Looks like cross-site request forgery middleware token is actually put together with this guy right here. All right. I'm thinking it has to do something with pickle, since we had stuff about pickles in here at the very beginning. So that's why I'm thinking this guy over here. Now how are we going to send this up though? Just base 64 it or something? That's already base 64 in it. Okay, let's go ahead and base 64 this whole thing right here. Let's see what happens if we do that. That worked good. Worked out great for me. Let's go ahead and do a TCP dump for ICMP packets. Okay, so that's our payload link right there. Let's go ahead and see what happens if we throw that into our cross-site request forgery token. Let's actually first set that to repeater. Okay. We don't get shit. Okay, nothing there. Not getting anything back over here. Okay, what about over here? Or nothing. Okay. What about okay, wait. Search cookie equals this. Did we get a search cookie send? So we get this thing called search cookie. So can we just search cookie? And then secondly cross out request forgery. So can we just get rid of the query and just run search cookie? We do something like that, like right there, or we probably need a space in there, huh? Okay. You know what? No, that's the wrong place. So we'll leave that like that. Let's put it up here. Search cookie, set cookie. Does that work? Damn. I thought that would have did it. Search cookie equals, yeah. That was our ping, right? That was for our ping command, like right there. Huh. Okay. That's okay. There's probably more than one way to do this product right here. Let's go ahead and put this in the CyberChef and see if the base 64 does anything different. I've had that happen also before, just like earlier with the URL encoding where I tried the other way, even though it didn't do anything for us at that time. But let's go ahead and do this. Whoopsie daisy. It's already different. Well, I don't need that like right there though. No, it's not already different. 100% is different now. Okay, let's go and try that. Still nothing. Damn. I was really hoping that would be it. Okay, so we get the search cookie. I feel like that's our way up, like right there. Now we just need to. I did. Oh my God. I had an exploit.py in there, didn't I? Did I delete my exploit that I had in here? I may have written a Python file for that to be able to get. I wonder if that's what I had in there. Hmm. I don't really remember doing that though. As far as this is what I want to, how I want to live my life like right now. That's all. In case anyone wondered what the hell's going on. Is this really what I want to do in my life? That's probably why that was in here. To be able to run the code to be able to actually do this, huh? I wonder if somebody else has already done this. See if somebody else has already done this. Hopefully this works like right here, huh? This looks like exactly what we just threw into there, but except for this time it just has base 64 at the end of it. But we're going to give it a quick try. Okay, so we have for the ping command. Let's go ahead and throw that over in here. Way smaller than that one. So this might actually work. Okay. Send that off. Hey, oh, let's freaking go. We get some pinging going on. All right, cool. So now all we got to do is just make a reverse shell now. We know it's running. Oh, we don't. Okay, we'll just do this. What's up, ascertainment? Let's go and try this like right here. Let's go. Or root. Yeah, we're rooting a freaking thing. Okay, I must say, I'm like, yeah, there's no way we're root. So used to type in a reverse shell now. The bad. We got to run everything right for root. There's no sudo command. Is there anything on this damn box? On root, I forgot. Alright. So most likely gotta get over to 172.17.0.1. Yeah, we do. Okay. See the attempt. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything running. We're gonna Alexa to start talking to me for some reason. Okay. It's probably just the CIA, that's all. Like, try this. What? Okay. What am I trying to do here? Oh, yeah. PSPY. Well, no, plus X. PSPY at 64. Okay. Let's see what this does. If anything at all. Site manage.py run server. 5003. Okay. That makes sense. See if any of those commands get ran again, though. Okay. Nothing there. All right. CD to home. We got it here. Okay. We got database. We just cat it, I wonder? Instead of actually trying to bring it to me? That worked great. I was really hoping we just find password or user or something like that, you know? Okay, we got some users here. Actually, we got Oliver, Ramsey, Shaw 256. Are these their hashes like right here? Oliver and Ramsey. We got them two. Huh. We should be able to get into that. How the hell do I get into a SQLite database again? Where's databases at? Databases, SQLite. SQLite 3, okay. Do they not have SQLite 3 on here? I mean, like, literally, you have the database, so why wouldn't you have... That's stupid. Now I'm mad. I mean, that's just kind of dumb. If you have the database, okay. Can we? Because we should technically be able to get to it from, unless if it's just the app that's running it. Where the hell is that? Hold up. Can we actually get this from 5003? Yeah, we can. No, we cannot. That was a joke. Haha. Fucking shit. Okay. I actually just kind of want to just download it. Slash site. That's what it's called, right? Can we get to slash account? Oh, we can save that thing. Okay, that's annoying. No. It depends on what level you're at. Really, it just depends on what level you're at. That's all. Um, how they have MySQL in here? I'll see what that's going to do for me. But we should be able to drop to be able to connect to that database, you know, and then go from there. But if we can't, I don't understand why the hell they'd have an SQLite backup if they can't even do anything with SQLite. That's all. That's just kind of making me like, what the heck? So, so I'm kind of confused about. Okay, let's try this. Let's go ahead and let's try to port forward, maybe? We know we have 2 users so far, right? We know we have a Ramsey. What was the other guy's name? We gotta try to figure out if any of these guys are, if we can figure out anything with these people. Like what can we figure out with these guys like right there, you know? Okay, CD and attempt. I'm thinking use chisel, maybe try brute force Ramsey, whatever the other guy's name was. But let's try this first. Yeah, Yoshi asked if this is better than Hack the Box. It depends on what level you're at. That's all. And what boxes you do, or what you like doing. Hack the Box is harder. Hack the Box is definitely harder. But you also will learn a lot more if you do their student sub. If you do that and do their academy or whatever, if you do the academy, you will learn a crap ton of stuff. Then do hack the. I mean, it doesn't really matter what you do. Just say this one's easier. That's all. Depends on what level you're at and what you want to do. And hack the box is also faster. A lot faster. Like. Check config. Is this thing, are you just broke? You just stuck there? What's going on? I want to give this guy like a 5-minute break while he tries to run limp peas, and I will be right back. Alright, so this ran. Yoshi, I would do as many free boxes as possible. So I would do the try hack me free rooms as many as possible. I do hack the box. I would do everything that you possibly can. We do get the, see like right here again, right? Can we, is that an actual, $2,500, 6,200. Shot 256. Okay. Okay, that's what we got. So we do have it. Okay, so that is the whole hash, like right there. So we should just be able to crack this hash. If it was for Ramsey or the other guy, which I still forgot the other guy's name, which is probably not very good. I'm probably gonna need it. That's who I'm going to need to get into, you know what I'm saying? That's good. So Hashcat said that was 10,000. Okay, Hashcat seems to like it just fine. But that actually brings back to the Windows machine also and do it. That's your pet. Well, yeah, we're root. So we're going to see a lot of things like that because we are root. Okay. Let's go ahead and CD back into home site. Cat that DB again. And try to find those users again. Oliver and Ramsey. Okay. So it looks like we got a few hashes in here, huh? Let's actually quit this. Okay. What we'll do is we'll actually. So we got the last hash there. We should throw these three into there. We'll throw this guy into there. So that was for Oliver. That is for Anik Furkrule. Okay, there's that. Right. Let's go ahead and run hashcat again, except for this time we're going to pen some other stuff on it to make it go faster. I thought I could also do like attack O or some of that. Okay. That cracks it pretty slowly, huh? This one also. Let's see if SSH works first off. Of course. Okay. Do we have port 22 on here? I think I'll bring these hashes back over to my Windows machine and crack them on there with Hashcat. I'm actually going to run that at the same time because I don't think, because I'm using AMD like right now. Let's do that. Okay. It's in frickin' C, this PC desktop hashcat. Okay. Huh? It's probably a OneDrive desktop. That's probably why. Yep. So go grab that file. All right. Now let's go ahead and bring that back over to here. I think it'll do all three of them without messing up. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Then we'll do a thousand. Then we'll do Rocky.txt. Oh, do I have to do that tech? Something like that, I think it is. No, what is it? Damn it. One of the problems with having AMD. Hashcat. I wonder if I can find an old hashcat command here. Probably not. Got excited for a second there. Vagrants. Vagrants. No hashes loaded. Ah, okay. Why is it saying that? Is there like a space in here or something like that? No, definitely not. It's saying no hashes loaded. Signature unmatched. Attack M 10,000. Well, worked just fine over here, didn't it? $10,000. Huh. That's very, 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 very strange. Okay. There's no spaces in it. Let's try just one of them. How's signature unmatched? Let's go and grab these. I don't know why all of a sudden now it says that doesn't exist anymore. Can I just throw a hash into there instead of saying something.text? Can I actually just throw a hash into there? That's not going to work now, is it? Okay. So we can see that one just fine. That's super weird. Now the question is, which hash do we need? And is that going faster also? I'm still initializing backend. This guy's taking a minute, huh? Yeah, it's going just a little bit faster there. Let's go ahead and stop it from over here then. This one's doing 52. This one's doing, where's it at? 3,147 plus 226. So let's go ahead and we'll stop this guy over here. It should actually go faster if we stop him. The only thing that sucks though is that I don't know if it's. Oh man, get that temperature up there. Freaking crack more. CPU's got a water cooler, so I don't care how much the GPU's getting hit. It's not going to heat up CPU at all, so I don't care. I don't know how long this will take. 1 hour? And we don't even know if that's even the right hash. And it won't take the hash file. I feel like doing 3,300, 600. I feel like we should have already gotten the hash. That's just me. And it won't even take all three of them at once. This is the other one that we got. And that one was for. Actually, do I know who? Second one's for Ramsey. First one's for Oliver. Who should I go after, Ramsey or Oliver? I feel like Oliver's a lost cause. Should we go after Ramsey now? Let's go after Ramsey now. This one should be Ramsey's with the Q here, I believe. Right? Is that correct? HYUS. That's Ramsey's HYUS. That's Ramsey, like right there. I don't think it's the last person, because the last person, they're not even in here. This person, like right here. I don't think we care about them at all. It's probably the hash I have up there too, isn't it? try this, guys. Attack W3 this time. Wonder why I won't take that file. Alright, so it's running. Estimated time seems to have gone down also. That's Attack T3, yo. That's going way faster now. We still have an SSH client on there also. So we may want to try to port forward somebody, right? Let's go ahead and head over to my notes here. Port forward, chisel. There we go. I have it for Windows, but I know I have a chisel for this also. So we want to do something like this, like right here. We'll be working on these two windows. Let me go ahead and get the... Okay, chisel Linux. All right. So let's go ahead and wget chisel Linux. Seems to be taking its sweet time doing that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is just let's go ahead and start our server up here, right? Start server actually like right here. Okay, we got chisel. Yeah, sure. 1111, sure, why not? How is it no such? Oh, I went to temp, that's why. Okay. We'll do that. And then we want to do a client. And that's most likely my IP address, probably, right? So we're going to do a /chisel change mode +X for chisel /chisel client my IP address. Oh, this is super confusing. I see the same thing. 1111, right? And then we're going to go to what we want to forward. R22. Let's see if that works. Okay, it's open. Okay. Better than what we had before, right? Jesus Christ, dude. Is this not the way? It's taking 4 minutes. It's only supposed to take 5 minutes to hack something, to crack a password or whatever. Ooh, you know what? Can't do that. Because he doesn't have SSH on him, right? Which means that we would have to actually forward that through 172. Wouldn't we? And we seem to have lost the connection here. There we go. Great, that looks great. Oh, fucking shit, dude. Then 172 dot 17 dot 0 dot 1, right? See what that actually brought up what I just did. Yep, okay. Now, let's try it. No? Nothing there? Am I even still running? I am running a server on, okay. Can I do port 22 on there, I wonder? I did 1112. Okay, 1112, okay. Let's see, I got this far before. Why did I just not grab the root.txt? Still haven't cracked it. Still pressing S over here to try to crack it. Still nothing. Just so you guys know. Okay, well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know why it didn't crack the password over there, but okay, that's okay. So, can we SSH it now? How the hell we get S? Now we got to put SSH on here, don't we? So we got to put an SSH binary on here. Because that thing has no SSH. How are we going to put SSH on this guy? Or can I just actually... Oh, I could probably... No, I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. I can just... Yeah, I just do that. God damn it. Okay. I just log on. There we go. Okay. So we can run vol.py as Oliver. So there's our vol.py right there. We can run that as Oliver, which if it's in our home directory, that means that we can just change it to whatever we want. So let's go ahead and, it's saying that we can only read it, but since it's in our home directory, we can remove it. So let's go ahead and move vol.py to vol.py.back. If we can. Okay, cool, we can. Because it's in our home directory. Let's go ahead and cat scripts just Python reverse shell. Which Python, I guess? Okay, user bin Python. This one's calling for user bin Python. Okay. So we could just say Python. We should just be able to put something like that in there. There's also Python 3 on here, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and nano-vol.py. This should give us the reverse shell like right here. And let's go and grab my IP address here. (4444). There we go. Okay, and then I should be able to run that command like right here as sudo tacu Oliver. What happened there? Yeah, okay. If you don't, we're gonna make the seizure on me. Let's do a bash reverse shell. How about that? Is it really? Or is it lying to me? No, it is. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so all we're doing is just going to import OS, import sys. You don't even do the import sys, but whatever. Then we're just going to run an operating system command on here because we did import OS, so os.system. And we're just going to tell it to do a bash reverse shell back to ourselves. We're just going to put that into a Python file. And then we're just going to do our sudo for our Python file. Since it's in his home directory, we can mess with it. And what the fuck? That's not invalid syntax, though. It's because I didn't put... I didn't do that, like right there. Maybe it is invalid syntax. Yeah, it is. Okay. So now we're Oliver. We run sudo with Oliver. No password for op docker script.py. And I can run that as root. Can we read it? Import docker. And we can't mess with it. Okay. Well, sysadmin, actually. Okay, can we mess with it? Oh, damn it. What? Permission not. Okay. So no, we cannot move it. Okay. Okay. We can't write to it or anything like that. We can only execute it. And what's it doing now? It's importing Docker. Should restart Docker if it crashes or anything happened. Or if we have like a Python path or something like that. For that guy. Yeah, set environment. Okay, so we can set the Python environment path. Okay. All right. I know what to do here. SSH Python. Nope. Is it Linux for Vesk? Python path variable. There we go. Okay, so since we can put in this Python path, like right here. And then we can tell it that Docker, I believe, yeah, that Docker's going to run somewhere else, right? So we need to first we need to get a damn full shell going here. No! Why did I do that? One, two, three, four, five, seven, eight, right? Was that it? Okay. What? Oh. Okay. Now we need to get a full path. All right, let's go ahead and grab this guy right here. Okay. So now we have that. Now sudo tac al. We set the environment right. So let's go ahead. Seeding a temp, and we will do a nano docker.py. Import OS again. Just say that thing. So this time we're just going to do a os.system change mode u plus s for bin bash. That's what we'll do for this guy right here. Okay. So now we have that. Now what we should be able to do is run the file with a sudo tac u. Well, no, because we don't even need that because we can just run it as root, right? So sudo python path equals home Oliver, right? From here, I want to say I don't think it is. I don't think it is dropping at all. At least YouTube hasn't said anything. It's still going strong. But it may be, I have no idea. Okay, home Oliver. And then we're going to run that Docker script, right? Then we're going to run this command like right here. Now what should happen is that Docker script, when it goes to import Docker, it's going to come back over here because we're telling it that the Python path is in home Oliver. So it's going to come back over here, hit this Docker, thus running whatever's in that Docker because it's importing it, right? Okay. And it did not work. So we tried our best. Okay. So why did that not work though? Oh, probably because I'm in freaking temp. Maybe that's why. We don't want home Oliver. We want temp. Let's get enter here. I know it's not going to work, but I just want to see like where I'm at since it decided to do some weird stuff. Okay. Okay, let's try that. Okay, client Docker from environment module has no attribute from